Hello students, good evening all, how are you? This is your ShivaKumar sir, starting our new YouTube channel, Bansal classes Telangana. Now in this channel, we are doing three different programs. One for second mains, other one is for advanced and third one is for NEET. For today, we are dealing with the chapter Electrostatics, in which from past 15 years when you see, more than 40 plus questions has been asked. Now if you see last year paper 2024, 4 questions has been asked from electrostatics. Now these electrostatics I divided into parts. In that, today we are doing with our part 1 based on Coulomb's law. Now here when I start to speak, just believe in me, I'll take you the physics to the next level, from the basic to the advanced, what all required questions are there, required type of solving, those all we'll be discussing now into the classroom. So let's start our classroom with Bansal classes, Telangana, first chapter, Electrostatics. Now we are doing with the chapter Electrostatics. If you see the analysis of an electrostatics chapter from past 15 years, 40 plus questions has been asked. अभी देखो बेटे, last year का paper if you see 2024, 4 questions has been asked from the single chapter electrostatics. Easy chapter है बेटा, कुछ नहीं, उसको basic से पढ़ेंगे, advanced level तक आपको लेके जाऊंगा, बस मेरे पे भरोसा करो. What I am doing now on the board, just sit and practice. Your chapter will be done, where you can solve 80% of your previous year questions after listening to my class. Just saying with that, now today we are starting with the chapter Electrostatics. अभी जब electrostatic chapter का बात कर रहा, उसमें part 1 we are starting today, that is Coulomb's law. अभी Coulomb's law के बारे में I hope that everyone knows as we are preparing for advanced paper. See Coulomb's law, what exactly it speaks? If I take two charges Q1 and Q2, then force is directly proportional to Q1 Q2, inversely proportional to R square. तो इधर से क्या करेंगे बेटा, अभी अपन F is equals to what we write 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square, where epsilon naught is nothing but permittivity of the free space. इसका वैल्यू याद रखना है अपन 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 Coulomb meter square per Newton meter square per Coulomb square. What is that beta? F is equals to how much it is? 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square, where epsilon naught is permittivity of the free space, which is how much? 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. देखो बेटा epsilon naught इधर भेजते इस पे इधर लेके आए Coulomb square by उसको नीचे आया कितना था बेटा? Newton meter square. So epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. अभी देखो बेटा इसमें क्वेश्चन क्या डालेगा हम? इस बीच में ये दो चार्जेस का बीच में he'll insert some dielectric. He'll insert some dielectric, or it will be taking this to other medium. Let's say that medium is called dielectric medium. When I insert these two charges in some other medium, then they will rise up with some constant that is called dielectric constant K. Dielectric constant K is nothing but beta permittivity of medium by permittivity of free space. अब इसमें से permittivity of medium we don't know, which we calculate from K into epsilon naught. So when we place in dielectric medium, तो अभी force क्या होगा बेटा? F dash is equals to F by K. Now when I speak बेटा यहाँ पे दो चार्ज लिए अपन, पर बीच में only to smaller part we have inserted dielectric constant, जिसका thickness है. तो जब इसका बात करें बेटा, अभी फोर्स कितना आएगा? F dash is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by ये R में से total distance between them Q1 Q2 में से R में से T को निकालो, then T into root K whole square. Basic substitute करो, solve करो. See we have the three formulas here. पहली तो basic story, that is F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. इधर से लिंक अप करते हैं एक्चुअली मैकेनिक्स को, हीट एंड थर्मोडायनेमिक्स को, एसएचएम को, बेसिक सब्स्टिट्यूशंस wherever required. I took all those questions and we are discussing up now. Now when I start to speak with respect to this chapter, we have three formulas now this topic say. That is F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. To solve beta when it is completely inserted inside electric constant, we all know that F is nothing, F dash is nothing but F by K. But this is more important. If a smaller part of dielectric medium is inserted between the charges, then F dash is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R minus T plus T root K whole square. This is a basic theory what is required from Coulomb's law. Now let's start discussing of the numericals based on this formula, taking from mechanics, taking from SHM, taking all the possibilities from basic to the advanced level. I have been brought all questions now to discuss up. Let's start solving numericals now. Now we are dealing with numericals of part 1 that is based on Coulomb's law. अभी आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में क्या पूछा बेटा? Now what he gave us in question number 1. If the natural length of spring is L0, then the blocks are in equilibrium. Then find the elongation of the spring. अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा बेटा? When there is an elongation in the spring, a spring expand होगा. Let's say that elongation of the spring is x. तो अपन क्या लिखेंगे बेटा अभी? Force we already know that. Force we know as how much बेटे? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. अभी क्या हुआ? As two charges has been included, this has been elongated by distance x. Elongation हुआ बोला होगा. Then that spring force what we know बेटे? Kx, which is equals to how much I'll write? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by x plus L naught whole square. तो अभी इसमें से क्या होगा बेटा? क्वेश्चन में will give you the basic values. Substitute करो, निकालो, you get a quadratic equation, solve it, you'll get the answer. Now when I speak with respect to question number 2, see more important question. Question linked with friction. पुराना एग्जाम में भी आया, same question. That only now I am speaking of. क्या बोला बेटे यहाँ पे? Find the minimum value of minus q so that the block will start moving. अभी क्या हुआ बेटा here when I speak? See there is given coefficient of friction. तो यहाँ पे frictional force है. So this electrostatic force between two charges will be balanced with the frictional force. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? This F net when I speak, this is equals to how much बेटा now? Mu mg of the frictional force. तो अभी ये force कितना है बेटा? F net is how much we know? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by distance between them L दिया बेटा, that is fixed. So this L square which is equals to mu mg. अभी क्वेश्चन में हमको क्या पूछा? He asked this value of q. So q is how much बेटा from here? This is mu mg into 4 pi epsilon naught L square by small q. This will be the answer for the question. See basic substitution ही मिलेगा. First basic questions only I am speaking up. Then next we will be going up the advanced. देखो बेटा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में व्हाट आई डिड, आई हैव बीन इंकलकेटेड विद स्प्रिंग. सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या किया बेटा? यहां पे फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स लेके आया. सी या बेटा नाउ व्हेन आई सी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में फ्रिक्शन दिया और एन इंक्लाइन प्लेन दिया बेटा. तो इधर क्या करेंगे? अपन इंक्लाइन प्लेन दिया तो नो दिस इज माय मास m, वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड्स एक्ट होगा इसका वेट mg. ये थीटा है बेटा, then this will be my theta. तो इसको क्या लिखेंगे अपन? mg cos theta and this is mg sin theta on inclined plane. Always inclined plane पे mg sin theta रहेगा. Now he says in the question that block is sliding up. तो क्या होगा बेटा भैया? Frictional force will act in downward direction. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Now this force, the net force is nothing but is equals to mg sin theta plus frictional force. तो आप नेट फोर्स कितना बेटा इधर से? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q by distance between them कितना दिया बेटा उन्होंने? L square which is equals to how much बेटे? mg sin theta plus frictional force is how much बेटा? mu mg cos theta on an inclined plane. So from here what he asked us to find? He asked us to find the value of q. तो इधर से q कितना आएगा बेटा अपन को? mg sin theta plus mu mg cos theta into ये कितना है बेटा ऊपर गए तो 4 pi epsilon naught L square by small q. Basic answer for the question. ये substitution based numerical में पूछा था एग्जाम में. I did not brought that question. I took few questions which prepared by my own self. First question में आपको मैं स्प्रिंग के बारे में बोला, दूसरा क्वेश्चन बना है हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन, तीसरा क्वेश्चन बना है इंक्लाइंड प्लेन. बेसिक मैकेनिक्स से लिंक अप किया बेटे. Now we'll go with our basic story of solving with Coulomb's law with question number 4. जहाँ पे दो चार्जेस देगा और उसका नेट फोर्स कैलकुलेट करो बोला आगे को. See when I start to speak with respect to this, अभी देखो बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में when I start to speak a basic formula, basic question है देखो. दो चार्जेस दिया प्लस 5q प्लस q, distance between them is r. तो आपने फोर्स फाइंड करो बोला. So force is nothing but how much I write बेटे 1/4 pi epsilon naught q1 which is 5q, q2 which is q, distance between them is r square. Basic question टाइम पास के लिए दिया to understand, to make you to write, कुछ भी दिया तो लिख सकते हैं. Now when I start to speak question number 2, जब भी बेटे ये याद रखो सेम ऐसा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल दिया हो सपोज आपको q q q, then our f dash is always equals to √3f. नहीं भूलना ये जब स्क्वायर का क्वेश्चन दिया होगा बेटा हो ये सेम पूरे लाइन चार्जेस देता हो q q q and q, then f dash will be √2 plus 1/2 into f. ये दो फॉर्मूलास को याद रखो. It is everywhere in gravitation, in electrostatics, in magnetism. We use same formula. That is equilateral triangle दिया तो √3f, स्क्वायर दिया तो कितना लिखेंगे बेटा 1/2 plus √2f. f is nothing but how much beta here? f is nothing but 1/4 pi epsilon naught q square by distance between the beta is a square. This is my f. f कितना बेटा इधर? f is equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught q square by a square. Now when I start to speak, अभी देखो बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 बेसिक सॉल्विंग किए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल दिया था ना, तो मैं आपको याद रखो बोला था कितना उसका आंसर दैट इज √3f. क्वेश्चन नंबर ई का जब बात कर रहा मैं दैट इज सेम ही गिव अस में पूरा लाइन चार्जेस दिया तो उसके लिए याद रखना है कितना है वो √2 plus 1/2f. अभी देखो बेटा यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर सी बात करेंगे थोड़ा अलग से, थोड़ा चार्जेस डिफरेंट करके दिया है. देखो बेटा अभी ये सी का क्वेश्चन बात कर रहे हैं अभी. इसमें क्या दिया बेटा उन्होंने व्हाट एग्जैक्टली ही गिव. यहाँ पे देखो he gave us this as 5q. इसको कितना दिया बेटा q, इसको कितना दिया बेटा 4q. सो इन दोनों के बीच में when I start to speak, between them this is how much beta, let's say 5f. इन दोनों के बीच में this is how much beta 4f. इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है तो this is 60 degrees. सो इधर भी कितना है बेटा 60 degrees. तो इधर से जब मैं बात कर रहा f net का, now this f net is equals to how much beta now from here, that is from vector form 5f square f1 square plus f2 square plus 2 into f1 f2 into cos theta. cos theta होता है कितना लिखना है बेटा अपन को cos 60. तो इधर से जब मैं सॉल्व कर रहा तो ये कितना आएगा 5f बोल दो 25f square, ये बेटा 16f square plus 2 into 5 10 into 4 40 f square into cos 60. cos 60 is how much बेटे 1/2. तो इधर से आएगा 20 plus 25 45 45 plus 16 बोल तो कितना आएगा बेटा 45 plus 16 बोल तो this is 61. so answer is how much बेटे √61f. बेसिक सब्स्टिट्यूट करो निकालो. बेसिक सॉल्विंग दिस इज नॉट बिग डील. छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन से बेसिक से आपको लेके जा रहा. फिर नेक्स्ट बेटे क्वेश्चन नंबर डी में देखो दैट स्मॉल चेंज आई मेड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर डी. यहाँ पे प्लस क्यू दिया बेटा, यहाँ पे प्लस क्यू दिया बेटा. मैं आपको ये क्वेश्चन प्लस क्यू दिया था, इधर भी प्लस क्यू दिया था, बट हियर नाउ आई गिव माइनस क्यू. देन यहाँ पे स्टोरी चेंज हो जाएगा. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर डी हाउ आई विल सॉल्व नाउ. सी हियर इट इज प्लस क्यू, दिस इज आल्सो प्लस क्यू. यहाँ पे कितना बेटा माइनस क्यू. तो माइनस क्यू की वजह से फोर्स विल एक्ट टुवर्ड्स इट. इसका f इधर आएगा बेटा, ये प्लस क्यू से फोर्स ऑलवेज एक्ट्स अवे फ्रॉम इट. इसका फोर्स इधर आएगा बेटा. 60 डिग्री से ये कितना होगा बेटा 120 degrees. So F and between them angle is 120 degrees. तो इधर से F net कितना लिखूंगा? How much I'll write now? F net is equals to root over of F square plus F square plus 2F square cos 120, which is nothing but 2F into cos theta by 2. This is theta by 2 equal to cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 again, which is equals to F. तो इधर से F net मेरे को कितना आएगा बेटा आंसर? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by distance between them is given, let's say a, then it is a square. Basic substitute करो निकालो. I hope that you understood. A basic question है वो, B basic question है वो, C में भी basic question है दिया, where different charges given. D में यहाँ पे minus q किया so that you will understand what we need to do. Next when I start to speak question number E में क्या दिया बेटा? plus q plus q plus q plus q. तो मैं आपको बोला इसको याद रखो. When like charges are there, equilateral triangle दिया तो root 3f, square दिया तो root 2 plus 1 by 2 into f. And ये 5 क्वेश्चन करने के बाद में इसको आप होमवर्क पे ट्राई करो. Write this question as homework. If you won't get, then you just comment me down. I'll be speaking you back that question. Easy question है वो, इतना सीन नहीं है difficult solving करने के लिए. Next when I start to speak now, question number 5. इसमें थोड़ा change किया बेटा question को. See, first mode में what I did, mechanics को link up किया. Second mode of questions में क्या किया मैं? Basic electrostatic का Coulomb's law का based question कौन सा आ सकता? That is between 2 charges, between 3 charges, between 4 charges बात की. 5, 6, 7 we don't have actually. Generally वो star question पहले देता था. Now it is deleted up. Now when I start to speak question number 5, देखो बेटा यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने? Find F net on the charge minus q at the center. तो यहाँ पे क्या किया बेटा? यहाँ पे एक triangle दिया, sorry बेटा, यहाँ पे एक circle दिया. See what exactly he gave here? He gave us here a basic circle. बीच में क्या है? What he given? Minus q is given. अभी ऊपर जब 5q दिया बेटा हो तो इसकी वजह से ये फोर्स नीचे एक्ट होगा. लेट्स से दैट इज 5f. अभी यहाँ पे ऑन द राइट साइड इट इज 2q दिया बेटा तो इसकी वजह से इधर एक्ट होगा फोर्स. लेट्स से दैट इज 2f. यहाँ पे प्लस q है बेटा, इसकी वजह से ऊपर एक्ट होगा फोर्स. लेट्स से दैट इज f. नेक्स्ट पर यहाँ पे minus q है तो फोर्स यही तो ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ओनली इट विल एक्ट. That is equals to how much? Let's say f. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा बेटा? यहाँ पे 3f and then here 5f and 4f it is. So downwards when I start to speak, ये क्या होगा बेटा? इधर you will get as 3f, here you will get as 4f. So यहाँ पे net force when we are speaking of, सब लोग यहाँ पर ही गलती करते हैं. We'll write this as 5f and this is wrong answer. Why? Angle between them when you see tan theta is equals to fy by fx. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा बेटा? 4 by 3. बोल तो थीटा कितना था बेटा? 53 degrees. वो गलत है यहाँ पे सॉल्विंग में. It is not equals to 5f. They are not perpendicular to each other. Now when I start to speak here, f is how much बेटा? Now f net is equals to vector form में लेके जाओ उसको. That is 3f square plus 4f square plus 2 into 3f into 4f into tan 53, which is nothing but 4 by 3. So 3 को काटो and then write the remaining answer. That is equals to how much better now? Here I will write it down 1 minute. इधर लिखेंगे. So f net is how much now from here when I start to speak? That is root over of 9f square plus 16f square plus beta 2 into 4, that is 8f square. So इधर से कितना आएगा? 25 plus 8 is how much better? 33. So root 33f, basic answer to the question. More important, they are not perpendicular to each other. That is more important. ये circle में question आने वाला. Then the angle between them is 53 degrees. तो उसके हिसाब से उसको सॉल्व करना है. It is not equals to 5f. That you need to remember here. Very very important mode of question. Now when we start to speak, this is question number 5. अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का बात करेंगे बेटा. देखो क्या दिया उन्होंने, बेसिक टाइम पास किया क्वेश्चन को. यहाँ पे -6 क्यों दिया, 2 क्यों दिया, -2 क्यों दिया, क्यों दिया. At Q he is asking us at center of the square. Let's solve it. See question number 6 में what exactly we are doing now here. Now यहाँ पे जब बात कर रहा बेटा, ये 6Q and Q को जैसे इधर let's say that force acting is 6F. यहाँ पे +Q है बेटा, तो let's say the force acting here is how much? That is towards the center is asking ना, तो नीचे act होगा बेटा इधर. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? Here it will act downwards. That is F. यहाँ पे -2Q है, तो उसकी वजह से भी नीचे act होगा. That is again 2F. इधर भी -2Q है, उसकी वजह से नीचे act होगा. That is again equals to 2F. तो अब यहाँ पे net force कितना आएगा बेटा? See when you see, as ये तो square है अभी. Send us in the question. So इधर act होगा total force that is 4F. इधर act होगा total force that is 3F. तो obviously this is perpendicular होंगे, as ये square है. पहले क्वेश्चन में सर्कल था, यहाँ पे square है. So angle between them is 90 degrees. So 4F square plus 3F square वो तो सबको मालूम है वो. What is that is equals to 5F. So F net how much I write from here, which is 5F, but F is how much? 5 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Distance between them is how much बेटा? Q square by, यहाँ पे जब square का बात कर रहा बेटा, बीच में जो distance है that will be how much down? ये जब diagonal का बात किया it is how much? L equal to root 2L, उसका by 2 हो तो L by root 2. So L by root 2 whole square. तो basically आंसर कितना आएगा बेटा इधर से? F net is equals to how much I'll write? 5 2s are 10 Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught into L square. Basic substitute करो, solve करो, basic question it is. Now we are doing question number 7. इसमें देखो बेटा, charge Q is placed at center बोला, वो है closed polygon. Circle is also a closed polygon. तो जब एक closed polygon बात करके, if he is asking at the center, net force is always 0. That we all know. तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे बेटा, जब चार्ज Q दिया सेंटर ऑफ द रिंग में, तो नेट फोर्स always is equal to 0 for the closed polygon. It mean what I mean to tell you, suppose triangle दिया बेटा, बीच में पूछ रहा 0. Then next when we speak square, बीच में पूछ रहा बेटा, then it is 0. If it is like charge then only. सर्कल दिया बेटा, बीच में पूछ रहा बेटा 0. देखो बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में मैं आपको क्या बोला, क्लोज्ड पॉलीगन दिया तो एट द सेंटर फोर्स इज ऑलवेज इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 जब बात कर रहा बेटा, ये पार्ट से dl हटा दिया, he has been removed this dl part. तो लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट के लिए व्हाट इज द नेट फोर्स नाउ ही इज आस्किंग us. सो व्हेन आई स्टार्ट टू स्पीक विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट, तो ये पार्ट में से बेटा लेट्स से दिस पार्ट हैज बीन रिमूव्ड नाउ, इसको निकाल दिया हमने. So but from this what we do is today is we will be taking a small charge dq. यहाँ पे at center he gave us total charge plus q. जब मैं बात कर रहा बेटा यहाँ पे, ये जब dq दिया, so क्या बात कर रहे हैं? For q it is how much now? 2 pi r के लिए total q act होगा. Now for dq it means for per part how much it will act? q by 2 pi r. So dq length के लिए कितना act होगा बेटा? That is not dq. dl length के लिए कितना act होगा बेटा अभी? dl length के लिए कितना act होगा? q by 2 pi r into dl. Basic story. So when I start to speak with respect to this, अभी इसका force बात कर रहा तो f dash is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into dq into q by distance between them. That is basically we speak as r square, as this is a circular shaped object. तो इधर से dq को सब्स्टिट्यूट करो इतने, तो अभी इधर कितना लिखेंगे बेटा? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. और फिर लेट्स से दिस इज कैपिटल Q, उसको स्मॉल q लिखे ना, तो कैपिटल Q into small q into dl by 2 pi into r. तो इधर से आंसर कितना मिलेगा बेटा अपन को? f dash is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into dl by 2 pi into r cube. Basic निकालो and this will be the answer for the question. See, I'll repeat it again for you people. Question number 8 से बात कर रहा हूँ बेटा. This part has been removed. So leftover part निकाल दिए तो that will be a circular arc. तो इधर जब भी ऐसा question निकला, so some part has been removed का बात ये. Then we always take this as a small charge dq. यहाँ पे let's say this is capital charge q. तो ये dq की वजह से force कितना act होगा बेटा अभी? Force will act like this. Know that f dash will be how much बेटे? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q into dq by distance between them. How much that is? R square. तो अब dq कितना है फाइंड करना है अपन को इतना ही. So what we know for negative charge it is how much? 2 pi r दिया बेटा उनको क्वेश्चन में अपन को. अभी क्या होगा? So पर पार्ट के लिए कितना बात करेंगे? q by 2 pi r. So dl पार्ट के लिए कितना बात करते हैं बेटा? q by 2 pi r into dl. dl. Now here is that is substitute करो that will be your answer for the question. That is how much that is f dash is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q by 2 pi into r into dl. This is small q का into 1 by r square. R square को नहीं बोलेगा. So all together when we see this is how much now? q into dl by 2 into 4 that is 8 pi square r cube. Basic answer for the question. ये ज़्यादा important है बेटा. Now this part of circular questions regular में पूछ रहा है एग्जाम में, so इस पे ध्यान देना है. It is easy question, it's not difficult. Just see again, you will be understanding the story. See बेटा, when I speak with question number 9 now, यहाँ पे हम लोग रिंग दिया बेटा. रिंग देके उसको यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड चार्ज वाला प्लस q. यहाँ पे सेंटर पे दूसरा चार्ज दिया बेटा q नॉट. Now he is asking us, अभी ये if it is made out of thin wire तो उसमें टेंशन कितना है? तो जब this type of question asked, more important, पहले छोटा सा arc उठाओ, making an angle theta. तो this arc length पे जो charge है, that charge let us take as dq. So now because of this dq, इधर tension act होगा बेटा t. Because of this dq, यहाँ पे टेंशन एक्ट होगा बेटा थीटा. Now when this is theta basically, तो इसको दो हाफ में डिवाइड करेंगे. This is how much? Theta by 2. This is how much बेटे? Theta by 2. तो ये theta by 2 है, then this is also is equals to theta by 2. तो ये क्या होगा now? This will be how much? T cos theta by 2, and this will be how much बेटा? T sin theta by 2. इकडे तो माట్లాడతాము ఇది theta by 2 అయితే this is also equals to theta by 2. So దీని ఎంత రాస్తాం బేటా? T cos theta by 2 రాస్తాము. కింద ఎంత రాస్తాం అంటే T sin theta by 2. So ఇది ఈక్వల్ అండ్ ఆపోజిట్ యాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి T cos theta by 2 will get cancelled. जब ये दो कैंसिल हो गया, so downwards the force acting is T sin theta by 2 T sin theta by 2, which will balance the electrostatic force Fe. तो वो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स कितना रहेगा बेटा अपन को? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. ऊपर का चार्ज था dq. इधर सेंटर में इसका चार्ज है वो q naught. Distance between them is r square. दानी के लिए रास्ता which is equals to 2t into sin theta by 2. So when I start to speak here, as theta is much smaller, sin theta by 2 will become theta by 2. ఇప్పుడు dq ఎందానే సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి మనం. సో dq का जब बात कर रहा बेटा, lambda is equals to what we know, dq by dl. So from here dq is nothing but lambda into dl. Lambda means how much beta? Now this is total charge is q per unit length. Per unit length तो इसको कितना लिखेंगे बेटा? 2 pi r. 2 pi r into this length will be how much beta for us now? dl. Whatever you consider length is. So substitute करो, निकालो उधर से. तो इधर से कितना लिखेंगे बेटे? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dq का प्लेस लेते रहा सब बेटा बनाओ. That is q naught by r square into dq का प्लेस लेते रहा सब बेटा q by 2 pi r राष्ट्रमो into dl. dl అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత बेटा? ఈ పార్ట్ కదా dl. So what we speak, sin theta is equals to dl by r. I'll write here. Sin theta is equals to how much I'll write? dl by r. So theta is equals to dl by r. So from here dl is how much beta? Theta into r. Basic substitute here somebody. That is theta into r. So if theta will get cancelled, the 2 will get cancelled, the r cancel ayipotadi. Now what is left over answer? Tension generated here is 2 into 2, 8. So 1 by 8 pi square epsilon naught q naught q by r square. Basic answer for the question. See, more important bit. Old advanced question this is. Easy question. Mechanics leave it up. Today, whenever there is a circle question asked, mechanical properties of solids lo kuda this question will be asked. Mechanical properties of solids will be a question posted. How we calculate that? See now. See, when we start to speak, what we took, पहले एक छोटा सा r consider किए, where we took the small charge dq. Then उसको angle से divide करके, we have been made from vector form से. यहाँ पे क्या किए इसको vector को resolve किए, t sin theta by 2, t cos theta by 2, t cos theta by 2 cancel हो जाता है. तो क्या होता है यहाँ पे? ये जो t sin theta by 2, t sin theta by 2 है, 2t sin theta by 2 will balance the electrostatic force. Then you can mode the question for solving. फिर बाद में basic solving करो. यहाँ पे एक ही point याद रखना है, that is dq. So dq का मतलब how I solve dq? dq is lambda into dl, which is lambda is q by per unit length मतलब 2 pi r. फिर ये dl को calculate करना. So वो जब arc length when you are finding out, theta is nothing but length of the arc by radius. So from the length of the arc को substitute किए तो आपको बाकी का आंसर मिल जाएगा. So tension T is how much from there? 1 by 8 pi square epsilon naught q naught q by r square. More important question. See beta, now we are discussing question number 10. Question number 10 is rod question. Rod question में क्या दिया बेटा जो question में ना अपन को? He has given us a rod whose charge is q and length is l. Now he placed the other charge q naught at a distance of a. ये question में नहीं दिया, I missed it during writing. It's at a distance of a. So whenever rod question is given up in the question today, यहाँ पे we always consider a small charge, that is dq, which is making at a distance of x from q naught. So now we are writing force. dF is how much we know beta? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. q1 is dq, q2 is q naught by x square. So when I start to speak here, dq we need to substitute. dq is how much we know? Lambda into dx. So lambda is nothing but, dx is nothing but whatever the elemental charge what we consider, the length of the elemental charge is dx. So from here lambda is how much beta? q by l charge per unit length into dx. So ये लेके इसमें substitute करेंगे. What exactly I get now here? dF is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. dq is q by l, q naught. This is how much beta now? dx by x square. Now we are integrating this on both sides. जब integration का point आ रहा for the rod, this always varies from a to where? From a to a plus l. This is more important. a to a plus l. जब मैं इसको substitute किया बेटा, f is how much now for me? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by l. Then this is 1 by x square integration is how much beta? Minus 1 by x. So minus 1 by x is upper limit minus lower limit. As minus आया तो lower limit minus upper limit. That's 1 by a minus 1 by a plus l. इसको basic substitute करो, निकालो, and this will be the answer for the question. I hope you understood the rod problem. More important, ज़्यादा important question है. Question number 10 this is. See total 14 questions लिए थे बेटे. In that first 3 questions I spoke basic mechanics. Fourth question में basic Coulomb's law. फिर बाद में we have came with the circle. फिर question number 9 से those are previous advanced questions. Going with question number 11. We are doing with question number 11. 11 में क्या दिया बेटा? More important problem. यहाँ पे एक thread से दो masses को hang किया. and he gave us in the question, this is theta, this is theta. Now this mass is m, this mass is m. If this is theta, tension will act along the thread. तो ये theta है तो इसको क्या मान के चलते बेटा? This is theta, so this is t cos theta for me. mg is acting downwards. This is what we take, t sin theta, and this is what we take for me, electrostatic force Fe. So when we are substituting now here, what I'll write? T sin theta is equals to Fe, and t cos theta is equals to how much बेटा? mg. ये ज़्यादा important question है बेटा, question number 11. ध्यान से समझो अभी. Now when I start to speak this, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, which is equals to how much beta from here? Fe by mg. So Fe is how much beta? mg tan theta. Basic substitute कर सकते हैं, निकाल सकते हैं. And from here I can write theta is equals to how much beta? Tan inverse of Fe by mg. Fe is nothing but electrostatic force. इधर से सपोज तो टेंशन पूछा बेटा अपन को, स्क्वायरिंग एंड एडिंग करो, तो sin square theta and cos square theta will become 1. Then this is how much beta? Fe square plus mg square. This is first mode of question. Theta पूछा, tension पूछा, net force पूछा. Now in the question B, what he asked is Q1 is not equals to Q2. Q1 Q2 से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Electrostatic force is always is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Mass is same बोला, तो there is no disturbance. Therefore, it is same story. Tan theta is Fe by mg. Fe is nothing but mg tan theta. Basic substitute करो, no change. Now more important is 11 में C. When the whole system is dipped in water, जब पानी में डिप किया बेटा, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Sin theta will not change. T sin theta is equals to Fe, but cos theta will change. T cos theta is nothing but mg into 1 minus sigma by rho cube of the buoyancy force at 2 तो apparent weight of the body will be considered. Apparent weight of the body is nothing but mg into 1 minus sigma by rho, where sigma is nothing but density of liquid or water. Rho is nothing but density of the solid. Density of solid. तो इसमें से 2023 में क्वेश्चन पूछा था, and then he asked us to calculate relative density of the system. तो इसको ये भी लिख सकते हैं, T cos theta is equals to mg into 1 minus 1 by relative density of the system. Relative density is nothing but density of the solid by density of the liquid. तो basic substitute किए तो भी मिल जाता. अभी ना जो क्वेश्चन पूछता था you can solve. We'll divide this both. Then sin theta by cos theta I'll write as what beta? Tan theta, which is equals to how much? Fe by k. यहाँ पे sorry by k is necessity. क्यों बोलते हो water के लिए electric medium है, तो उसका हम लोग देगा क्वेश्चन में. By net buoyancy force mg into 1 minus sigma by rho. इसमें से substitute करो, निकालो, and it is basic solving only. Now when I start to speak with this, I hope that you understood question number 11. Question number 11 में बेटा ये basic बात ही बात की है. That is one is angle theta, which is always Fe by mg, tan inverse of Fe by mg. Whenever it is immersed in some liquid, then buoyancy force will act. Then apparent weight of the body you should remember mg into 1 minus sigma by rho. Basic substitute करो, निकालो, you will be getting that answer. I hope you understood this question. Check once again. We are discussing question number 12, 13, 14. इसमें से 13, 14 international physics Olympiad में पूछे सब questions है. And we are discussing those only now. Easy only it is, not difficult. See, when I speak question number 12, find net force on plus 5 coulomb. बेटा यहाँ पे किस हो गया? It is plus 5 coulomb it is. Like this he gave us here now. ये है बेटा अपना point. यहाँ पे plus 5 coulomb it is. This is now minus 10 coulombs. ये वाला दिया बेटा plus 3 coulombs. And this is given up plus 2 coulombs. See, from the basic I am teaching you. The vector form में कैसा लिखते देखो. 3 4 0 he said. This is at minus 1 1 0. This is at how much बेटा? 3 7 4. ये कितना होगा बेटा ना? 0 0 point. He gave some points here. तो basic substitution जब मैं कभी भी बात कर रहा, always let's say this vector is r1 bar, इसका position vector r2 bar, इसका position vector r3 bar. substitution method is second minus 1. तो R1 बार को कितना लिखेंगे बेटा यहाँ से देखो 3 minus 0 3i cap 4 minus 0 plus 4j cap 0 minus 0 k cap नहीं है. Next R2 bar when we are writing beta I am coming from 3 to 5. Arrow marks there question में देखो like this. So we are coming from 2 to 5 3 to 5 minus 10 to 5. तो यहाँ पे कितना आएगा बेटा 3 minus 3 0 then 4 minus it is 7 4 minus 7 कितना आएगा बेटा minus 3j cap then 0 minus 4 minus 4k cap basic substitution. The next R3 बार में जब बात कर रहा बेटा मैं same again it is from 10 to 5 we are coming so minus 1 minus 3 minus 4i cap 4 minus 1 that is how much better plus 3j cap and k cap is basically 0. तो अभी ये ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है वेक्टर फॉर्म का क्वेश्चन में भी पूछ रहा that is how to write the notation that is f bar is equals to बेटा अभी कितना लिखते हैं अपन 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught which is 9 into 10 power 9 ये अपना कॉमन है बेटा. फिर बाद में q1 q2 5 into 2 that is 10 distance between them बेटा that is इसका कितना लिखेंगे 3 square plus 4 square is how much बेटे 5 इसका magnitude भी 5 इसका magnitude भी 5 तो by magnitude 5 square is how much बेटे 25 into ज्यादा जरूरी है इसका यूनिट वेक्टर लिखना. यूनिट वेक्टर is how much now here 3i cap plus 4j cap by 5. Basic this is what more important to write the notation plus फिर दूसरा वाला 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 3 into 5 how much it is 15 by 5 square again 25 into unit vector लिखना नहीं भूलेगा how much that is minus 3j cap minus 4k cap by 5. The next वाला बेटा तीसरा वाला how much it is now that is again 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught उसका कितना दिया बेटा अपन को 10 into 5 that is minus 20 by magnitude कितना मिला 25. फिर इसका unit vector to decide the direction how much it is minus 4i cap plus 3j cap by उसका magnitude 5. बेसिक सब्स्टिट्यूट करो निकालो आपको आंसर दिख जाएगा. वेक्टर फॉर्म हाउ टू राइट यू हैव टू नो. दिस इज व्हाट द बेसिक आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन. वेक्टर फॉर्म ज्यादा इजी है पर एक ही ध्यान में रखना कि उसका मैग्नीट्यूड 1 by 4 का q1 q2 का आस्पेक्ट के साथ-साथ उसका यूनिट वेक्टर भी लिखना याद रहना. दैट इज more mandatory. So see if you see for all everything अभी देखो बेटा फर्स्ट में मैग्नीट्यूड लिखा फिर उसका यूनिट वेक्टर लिखे मैग्नीट्यूड लिखा उसका यूनिट वेक्टर लिखे मैग्नीट्यूड लिखा उसका यूनिट वेक्टर लिखे. बेसिक सब्स्टिट्यूट करना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. दैट इज बेसिक क्वेश्चन ओनली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 के लिए जा रहे बेटा अभी अपन क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 में अभी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. देखो 13 and 14 similar mode of questions. 14 वन ऑलरेडी एडवांस एग्जाम में पूछा. See students now we are doing 13 and 14. Both are asked in international physics Olympiad questions. 14 वाला पुराना एडवांस क्वेश्चन है बेटा. Now when I start to speak question number 13, तो यहाँ पे ना क्या किया बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 में he placed an equilateral triangle like this. तो इसको centroid बोला बेटा होगा. And from here exactly he placed one charge q at a height of h. That h is also equals to a. A is nothing but the sides of equilateral triangle का भी A ही है side. So when I start to speak, ये point को, this is centroid right? So इसको लिखेंगे A, B, C, ये point को लिखेंगे बेटा D. तो इधर से triangle बनेगा अपने साथ. Like this, let's make some triangle. Let's say this is making some angle theta for us. So जब मैं rectangle का angle बनाया बेटा, तो इधर से one thing again right, tan theta. The tan theta is nothing but opposite, which is nothing but h, by adjacent side, which is nothing but ag. Ag is nothing but distance from the vertices to the centroid. तो उसका distance अपन को कितना मिलेगा बेटा? h is equals to a. This is always is equals to a by root 3. तो इधर से मेरे को मिला बेटा tan theta is equals to root 3. So theta is nothing but here how much बेटे? 60 degrees. अभी जब मैं बात कर रहा बेटे चार्ज q के लिए प्लस चार्ज q के लिए, तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, फ्रॉम ये एक चार्ज एक्ट हो रहा है ऐसा, फ्रॉम ये, दिस इज वन फोर्स F। अभी दूसरा फोर्स एक्ट हो रहा बेटा फ्रॉम पॉइंट C in this direction, so this is due to C, the other charge active force act हो रहा है F। अभी due to B बेटा और एक दूसरा फोर्स एक्ट हो रहा बेटा F, they all are acting at different point but they are acting at the same। तो जब यहाँ पे बात करें बेटे F net is nothing but generally we'll write as 3F into sin theta, 3F cos theta will be cancelled, why, because they all will be in equilibrium, they will be in equilibrium। तो equilibrium में जब आया तो 3F cos theta will get cancelled, ये ज्यादा important है, ध्यान रखना है सर। So from here when we are speaking of F net हम लोग यहाँ पे कितना मिला बेटा हमको 3F into sin, यहाँ पे 3 फोर्स है तो 3F sin theta, 4 फोर्स है तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 4F sin theta मिलेगा आंसर, बस सीधा सीधा थीटा हम फाइंड करना है। Then 3 into F is nothing but how much बेटा, यही है ना distance between them basically when we are speaking of 3F into sin 60, sin 60 is how much बेटा for us, root 3/2। तो यहाँ से कितना मिलेगा बेटा 3 root 3/2 into F, this is my net force acting on a body, basic substitute करो लिखा। And then the last one when we are speaking about a question number 14, same बेटा इसमें 3 forces दिया, यहाँ पे 4 charges दिया। जब क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 का मैं बात कर रहा बेटा यहाँ पे, ये ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, देखो समझो पहले, इधर से दिया same from center, he placed some new charge here plus q at a height of h plus capital Q दिया, plus capital Q, ये है बेटा Q, Q, Q and Q। तो यहाँ पे जब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ बेटा here, from here let's say we will prepare one triangle like this, ये h दिया बेटा and h is nothing but equals to a by root 2। तो जब ये a by root 2 है बेटा, ये भी मिलेगा मेरे को a by root 2, why, because ये है इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल जब बना, तो इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल जब बना इसको मैं थीटा मान के चलो, so tan theta is equals to what we know बेटा, opposite में adjacent a by root 2 by a by root 2, तो यहाँ पे मिला 1, so theta is how much बेटा from here 45 degrees। तो जब 45 degrees आया बेटे, then our job is done। मैं आपको पहले क्वेश्चन में बोला था जब 3 चार्ज है they are acting at equilibrium, then 3F cos theta will get cancelled, only 3F sin theta will be left। यहाँ पे 4 चार्जेस है, so 4F cos theta will be cancelled, 4F cos theta force will be cancelled। क्या बचा बेटा, that is F net, F net is nothing but 4F into sin theta। तो अभी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो इसको, this is my distance r। तो जब सब्स्टिट्यूट करो तो कितना मिलेगा बेटा, ये F 4, F is nothing but how much बेटे 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q, small q into capital Q by r square, r square is nothing but root over of a by root 2 whole square plus a by root 2 whole square into sin 45, sin 45 कितना बेटा 1 by root 2। बेसिक सब्स्टिट्यूट करो निकालो, that will be your answer for the question। ये काटे then 1 by बाद में काटेंगे, लास्ट में काटेंगे उसको। So ये है बेटा 4, ये भी 4 pi epsilon naught, let it be like that only। 4 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, इधर से कितना मिला बेटा q। अब इधर से when we write how much we write बेटे root 2 into a by root 2, होल स्क्वायर को बाहर लेके आए, तो यहाँ से into 1 by root 2, so root 2 got cancelled, so what is left over बेटा here now 4 by root 2 का जब बात किया भाई root 2 multiply तो 2 root 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q by बाहर आएगा बेटा वो how much that will be now a by 2 plus a by 2 which is a, तो इधर a आएगा। This is my answer for the question, F net is equals to। I hope you understood the question। See बेटा basically जब 3 चार्ज दिया तो 3F sin theta बचेगा, जब 4 चार्जेस किया तो 4f sin थीटा बचेगा। थीटा आप लोग फाइंड करना है। अभी पहले वो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल दिया था अपन को इधर से। So from there, this h he gave us value. If you see, h is given as a. यहाँ पे distance from centroid to the vertex. Distance from centroid to the vertex कितना लिखेंगे बेटा अपन basically? a by root 3. तो उधर से अपन को tan theta मिला root 3 which is 60 degrees. नहीं ये भी मान लो चलो जब ये triangle form हुआ equilateral triangle तो उधर से 60 degrees उठाओ खत्म डन. Next when we speak now question number 14. 14 में स्क्वायर दिया। स्क्वायर में बोल तो here angle will be how much but now for each one 90 degrees उसका आधा मान के चलो। That is 45 degrees. Nice sir I don't know that. Then you can substitute and solve basically. अब ये a by root 2 है। Then when it is a by root 2 if I draw like this I form an equilateral triangle. तो equilateral triangle form होता है a by root 2 this also. Then जब a by root 2 आया मेरे को then this is my radius है फिर उधर से निकालो substitute करो and then you will be getting basic answer. Basic substitution आपको इधर से मिलेगा। substitute करो solve करो एक बार उसको देख लो एक बार solution everyone check and by this telling I will be closing our part 1 for today. This is Coulomb's last topic. See मैं आपको Coulomb's law जब बात किया starting I took from basic से आपको एडवांस लेवल तक लेके गया। You can see slowly have been followed it up and at the end we went with the difficult questions. 14 मॉडल्स है बस इसको ध्यान से समझो ध्यान से करो आपका Coulomb's law का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा। Support me, do subscribe, like and bell को दबाओ। Comments डालो कुछ है। If you want further any more updates, somewhere if you have some discussions, किधर भी doubt आया, तो उसको comment में डालो। I'm here to help you all. By saying this, I'll be thanking you all today. We'll catch up again tomorrow with electric field. चलो, thank you all.